Good morning and good day. So we are basically live right now. We will start doing our analysis of the future markets. We'll start with ES and then we'll go to other markets of futures to see what really will be our plan overall. Okay, so let me share the screen first. So this is our markets right now. Yesterday, honestly, over trading, it's one of the worst things you can do. Yesterday, I was actually up over $2,800, almost $3,000, and over trading, trying to catch the next move, made me basically go to a negative. Then I took another trade, brought my account to positive of 100, and I stopped. Why? Because I was trying to catch that move, which will go from here to the long one. I catched one, took profit, and then I tried to catch a few more, putting my stop losses. And as a result, I wasn't able to catch all this move overnight trading. I was stepped out a couple of times. Let's start with the analysis. So, what we will be doing, we will be marking the pre-market high, pre-market low, which will go from 930 to 930. Sorry, from 430 to 930. Okay, for the pre-market, from 4 to 930, we will mark the low of that. We will also mark the yesterday high and yesterday low, which in this case we might actually not even do that because we will mark the high, which also the gap, which we have to fill. In theory, we will want to look more for shorts unless we will see that all of a sudden bulls take more charge here. Okay, so let's focus on ES only right now. Where is my marks? That. So it will be gap fill, plus it will be Friday low. Okay, I just want to make sure I put multiple of things because it's quite a few stuff. We will mark this in red. Okay, because from here most likely we will want a short unless it will be test, break, and retest. Okay, now we go to 30 minutes. Okay, and we look for 4 a.m. This is 4 a.m. Now what we want to see from here, the market low. So this is not the low, this is the low. Okay, which will be currently with green. Okay, pre-market low. We just want to do that, and this is 3 a.m. so we don't mark that, but this here, which is very similar and close by pre-market high. So on here we will want to do red. Why? Because when it tested here, we want to have a bit of a drop unless we break and retest. Okay, so that's what we will be looking at. So 5:30, 9:30 and 9:30, I have that. Okay, so this is our overall plan, and more or less we can have the law of day. The law of day, which is the law of so far. Oh, it's right here. Law of day. Okay, this is the law of day. So for today, and then basically what we are looking for, it's either break, retest, or after we will mark also the 5 minutes. Now what we also want to do, we want to see if we have, so we have here 5 minutes, right? We have this zone that was formed as well, which we want to mark. Not the best zone, however, in this area we will want to potentially enter short. Tight stop loss and high reward. Tight stop loss and high reward. Let's see. In a way, 30 minutes was already tested 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, sorry. But let's see, 4 hours. We have a new 4 hours formed right here. This area has a lot of selling. Okay, so what we will do right now, 4 hours. This one also we can delete it to keep a clean chart. It's very important, okay, to keep a clean chart. So we have that, we have daily. Daily we don't mark way too much noise. I mean, way too much here. So we have that. Let's see, we have this 30 minutes. Okay. So we have this 30 minutes. Let's see one thing. What I'm looking at, we have here a lower low, right? I want to see there is also a lower low in a way a bit here, so it's good. No diversion. See, there was also this gap down here. Let's come back to fill this and fucking zoom down. It's crazy. So what's the plan? Let's write my plan. I will be So basically, I'm just doing my journaling. So basically, what I want to do, I have this day trading, okay, which will be this format, marking pre-market high, pre-market low, zones, and all those kind of analysis. And then there will be the other ones, which will be bigger probability and higher probability moves of a certain trade, which I have a couple of videos in my channel. However, you will be able also to see that in the upcoming couple of minutes. So just to put here, massive gap down, which will make me look for short if don't break if we don't break 5,988. Okay, okay, it is pre-market high, and there is also 5 minutes zone. My zone, tight stop loss, and we'll look to take profit by pre-market low. Okay, so stop loss will be roughly at 5,990. Okay, I think that's a fair price range. Pre-market low, which will be 5,961. Okay, this is one. Long if market breaks right away at the open from 5,960, I will want to long from low of day slash low of day 5,935.5, stop loss 5,932, take profit at 5,958 ish area. Okay, so this is currently my area of what I'm looking for. Okay, yeah, there is not much here activity wise. Oh shit. Yeah, so this is my trade right now. This is my thought for the trade right now. Shit.
That's exactly what we'll do. Rocket, I'll be your trading mentor and hold you accountable every day. Daily trading routine. Follow this. Keycap 1 morning pre-market plan. Post year before trading. Magnifying glass tilted left market bias. Bullish or bearish. Based on daily VWAP. 9 DMA. Pre-market high/lows. Direct hit key levels. Mark pre-market high/low. Yesterday's high/low. Supply and demand zones. 1 heavy checkmark trade setup criteria. Checklist must align with RR rules. Push in max trades allowed. 3 to 5 trades max. Keycap 2 after trading. Post year after your session. Bar chart trades taken. Win/loss. What worked? What didn't? Magnifying glass tilted left mistakes. Did you overtrade? Did you hesitate? Direct hit lessons for tomorrow. My commitment to you. Small blue diamond. I'll analyze your trades every day. Small blue diamond. I'll identify weaknesses and fine tune your strategy. Small blue diamond. I'll push you towards becoming a top trader. Fire. Let's get you to $10,000 days like Carmine. Fire. Post your pre-market plan now for tomorrow's session. Let's dominate this market.
So what I'm doing also, I do recommend you to do that as well. I use ChatGPT for accountability. I will be uploading my plans in there, saying what it recommends, what am I looking at right, what I'm looking at wrong, and just fucking improve, you know? It's very, very important. So let's see.
Review of your plan for mess. Fire. You're approaching this well with structured scenarios. Fire. Here's my breakdown of your trade ideas. Bearish scenario. Short plan. Trigger. If price rejects 5,988. Pre-market high plus 5 minute zone. Entry. Short at 5,988. Stop loss. 5,990. Tight stop. Good. Target. 5,961. Pre-market low. White heavy checkmark. Good points. Following market structure and pre-market levels. Tight SL means limited risk. Large gap down supports bearish sentiment. Warning possible adjustments. If the rejection at 5,988 isn't strong, weak wicks, low volume, you might get stopped out before the drop. Alternative, wait for an M-shaped double top rejection before entering. Bullish scenario, long plan, trigger. If price breaks below 5,960 but reclaims lot, 5,935.5, entry. Long at 5,935.5 stop loss, 5,932 target, 5,958 white heavy checkmark. Good points, catching a liquidity grab at the lows. A break and retest setup makes sense. Warning possible adjustments. Instead of blindly longing at 5,935.5, watch for exhaustion, bullish divergence on RSI. Large buyers stepping in on footprint/DOM. If price keeps trending lower, avoid forcing the long. Final execution tips. Rocket trade the reaction, not the prediction. Round push. And if price wicks hard at your levels but doesn't confirm, step back. Magnifying glass tilted right. Use order flow, DOM, footprint, to confirm entries. Counterclockwise arrows button. Let winners run. Scale out profits but let part of the position ride. Post your execution updates after the trade so we can review together. Let's refine this and dominate the market. Fire.
This was the movie where I watched and became so inspired by Bob Proctor and decided to find him to mentor me. Was amazing, honestly. Mhm. So definitely will be great, to continuously update my thoughts throughout the the process. Okay. Meanwhile, let me look. I'm just trying to figure out how I can do everything with the 3 screens I have. Okay, very nice. Market is about to open in 5 minutes, 5 and 20 seconds, 15 seconds. Okay. So what I want to do, I want to put plans for different markets. Proceed anyways. Crazy drop of the market. Everything is red. Everything. Fucking crazy, bro. Everything is red. Wow. Look also broke this trend line, which honestly needs to clean.
Dylan O'Neill said macro view on ES. Last week's low on ES was 5,948. Since last night's reopen, ES has broken below there, but the bulls have done a nice job defending the dip below there quickly. Keep a close eye on that general area, 5,948 down to overnight lows, which was 5,935. If that general area were to breach and VX were to break over 19.8-ish, the next level down on ES would be the trend line at 5,890, stems from August lows.
So two different trend lines. Got it. So one will be here, 1, 2, 3. No, he doesn't look at that. He looks at that one. Interesting. Why not this one? $80. Because this one looks 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's looking from here. Holy shit. Okay. BADJ, don't forget, for those indices. Don't forget for the indices to turn this on. Okay. Another minute and we're opening. And then after about 10 o'clock or something, I will start looking for, the analysis on crude oil and others. I will let you know. And of course, you will be able to see them too. So let's open the market, and as things start to go, we will be able to start to see. Okay, if it breaks here, we are going lower.
Dylan O'Neill said the bulls have three things going for them. A lot of times a catalyst like this will make an investor/trader very fearful, which clouds their judgment. It's important to take a step back and assess the macro visual. 1. NQ did not take out last week's low. 2. VX did not take out last week's high. 3. The bond market is not pricing in the threat of higher inflation.
I think it will be no aggressive selling to 55. Yeah. Let's see. So Google. Let's see what's happening with Nvidia. Nvidia actually 55, as I mentioned. We need another 10 minutes for that. 55, let's go for a visit. Yeah, that's on a daily regardless. So why I do that will be easier. Yes. No. No. NQ. NQ. I was about to fucking buy this. But wait, what? See, I wanted to fucking long there. And it's okay. I don't want just to take a trade, but I want to take a trade from here. Limit order. Fuck, what the hell is this mess here? Mm-hmm. Very strong candle, this one. I wanted to. Where I can retest immediate. So we will be shorting from here. $95. Come on, you fucking kidding me? Блядь. Stop loss. Wanted one more here, but I guess it is what it is. So that was a very good execution. Of course, I wanted two, but no big deal. So I will move a bit down here and let it develop. Okay, because I do want to make sure that I have a trail stop loss versus I do want to see how it will react to here. So again, I'm moving my stop loss right? 72. It needs to go there. 72. This was a nice take profit area. 76. 72 is that. Okay. Nice. This was a nice break. We need to break this. Come on, man. A lot of orders there. I feel like if I release my stop loss, yes, I take profit, but then what will happen? It will go much lower. So I don't want just to do that so easy. It's need to break this 9-day moving averages and the RSI, and we're fucking golden, man. Right there. Yes, 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 yes. In theory, that was my stop, my take profit. I released it. Got it. So great. To my plan, risk $150 to make the 500. I'm happy with that. Good for that. Here, okay, what will happen? I will have this. This will be my stop loss. It will be a retest of the 5 minutes high, and take profit will be above this. First trade was taken as well as profits. I took a short of from 5,986.5. Stop loss was, see, stop loss was right here, 89. 5,989. Take profit was at 5,975. Only thing, two, but so basically based on my plan. So right now, okay.
Dylan O'Neill said to the upside, near term, I'd keep an eye on ES 6000 psychological whole number to gauge sentiment. Bulls need to break above and sustain value above there, whereas the bears ideally need to defend it.
Right now what we're seeing, the ES, the RSI, and this is a bit of a diversion. So let's see what's happening once it comes to here. We can see that the VWAP goes a bit higher, so that's something to look out for. I'm happy that I literally listed, otherwise it would take me out here. I don't understand what the fuck it's. Okay. Honestly, it's not. It's at this point paper money.
Great job executing your plan. Fire trade breakdown, white heavy checkmark entry, short at 5,986.5, solid rejection of resistance, white heavy checkmark stop loss, 5,989, tight end discipline, white heavy checkmark take profit, 5,975, secured profits, white heavy checkmark, what you did well, followed your plan, no hesitation, executed at the right levels. Discipline stop loss, kept it tight without over risking. Took profits at the right zone, didn't hold too long or overextend. Areas to improve: key cap 1 position sizing, scaling in and out since you wanted 2 lots. Next time consider placing 1 limit order and 1 market order when price reaches the level. Example, first lot, exit at plus 10 points, second lot, move stop to break even and let it run. Key cap 2, letting profits run more if you had 2 lots, one could have been closed early, and the second could have aimed for a bigger move. Example, pre-market low at 5,961. Key cap 3, paper trading versus real money. Your mindset should be the same whether it's paper or real money. Track how well you follow your rules more than the P/L. If you trade differently in paper trading, your real money execution might suffer. Next steps: white heavy checkmark, keep executing your plan exactly as written. White heavy checkmark, work on scaling out profits with multiple contracts. White heavy checkmark, after today's session, review if you hesitated on any trade or overtraded. Fire, post your next trades here and let's refine even more. Fire, you're already improving fast. This is how you become a top trader. Rocket.
So what we're seeing here, okay, this actually will be great. Okay, I want to have here also limit buy. So we have 2. Maybe actually I need to give it a bit more stop loss right here. You know what? I have a feeling it's coming. Yes, perfect. It's coming regardless. So I give it a bit more room there. Come on. Just don't fucking break like crazy. That's what I am asking for. 72. Weak, not so good price action. Not so good price action. I needed to start going higher. Yeah. Yeah. Can see it taking me out now. Yeah. $265. It can go easy. So took one more trade. Two lots. Entry was at 5-minute open high and VWAP. Tight stop loss. As was coming to my trade, my confidence in the trade wasn't great. So weak price action and stronger sellers at the moment. Enter at 5975. Stop loss at 5972.5. Stop loss hit.
Carmine Rosato said a really big shift in how I view the market is by viewing trades as patterns. What I mean is, the setups I trade with, there is around 6 or 7, each have similar patterns in the market when they appear. For example, if I see a rebid setup, then I know what the bid usually looks like / it's a common pattern with similar characteristics whenever that setup is present / valid. So, when I sit here analyzing the market, I am simply waiting for my opportunity by trying to locate these setups. When I see a pattern, one which I know works, I know it's a valid setup to take and a trade should be put on. When I sit here and observe and want to trade just because market is moving up or down, there is no pattern there. It's myself trying to make money by thinking where market can move next. This is not trading, that is gambling. When you look for similar patterns, that is trading with an edge.
Yeah, if I enter here as a stop loss can be here, but I will not enter. Just to enter, I wait. Here I could have re-enter. So yeah, see, this what I meant can be perfect if I put the stop loss here because that's where the break was. So break was right here, entry short, stop loss above that break, and basically hold, which you basically risk like fucking nothing, $2 maybe, to make pretty much like $15, and it will go to 60.
Carmine Rosato said a good exercise to practice is when reviewing your trades, look back and ask yourself, what was the setup? Can I label this trade? If not, then you should have never taken that trade.
Right there, look at this beautiful. I was about to take a short from 5975 and have my stop loss above the candle that broke the 5-minute high, which is 5977, and have my target to 5-minute low, which is at 5961.275. I didn't end up taking it because I didn't want to overtrade. However, now looking at it, it worked out greatly and fast. I could have risked. Let me just see my risk to a word on that. No, where do I see that? Where is it? Where the fuck it is? You read it?
Боже, motherfuck, я слышу, значит, ты не записываешь.
Записываю.
Да, идем завтракать.
Идите. Я скоро.
Не идите, я одна.
Тома не идет?
Ой, не идет. Тома завтракать не идет.
Я
Я
фэр.
его позвала и не заплатила.
А чё?
Не хочу.
So right there. Would have been amazing, isn't it? Could have 4.8 is to a word. Oh shoot, look at this. Literally happened again. But yeah. As I typed this, I wasn't focused. I wasn't focused on the charts. Okay, very good. So I do like it. Very good. Let me just see. Wow! What a fucking awesome. Yeah, very good. This is a bit annoying me. No. Amazing. Add the component of the TV. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is week. Oh, nice. Right. Max it to $100. But sometimes, due to how fast moves, I end up not getting the trade to the full $100 risk. Um, this trade at the moment, this trade is at this trade was on paper, was on paper, but not real paper. What I mean, I got I just got Top Step X and started trade on that. I find a lot less comes into play, even though this first month I say I fucked up in the sense of me over trading and not trading with having proper setups. this weekend was analyzing my journey. Trading and with my discipline. A lot more serious. In trading, learning, journaling, trading of setups, and other things. And other things. Career. Let's put it like that. Okay, so this is my output on that. Yeah, you see, and my plan was to take long from 5960 area as per my pre-plan. Didn't take it. Didn't take it yet. Let me see what we have in here. Wow, it can go to 90s. I will put my stop loss here and buy limit one here too. What? No. Fuck. No good. No good. Honestly, screw that. End up entering. Entering and getting stepped out. Where did I step out? Okay, so yeah, this was a fucking bad trade, man. Overall, I tell you the truth, I can take a short here. Right here, enter at the 5 minutes. Stop loss can be here. End up entering and getting stepped out. כן, אכלתי, אבל אני עוד רגע ירד. End up entering and getting stepped out. Entered at, wait, I can see here my entry. And got stepped out at. And from there it rallied back up to 5 minutes low and rejected. Thought maybe to take a short, but again, don't want to over trade. So waiting to see valid confirmations. Nice. which it is fucking valid. Honestly. $5,966. Above the wick of the candle that broke, that broke the 5-minute low. Targeting today's low at 5,935. Seeing that we had a massive gap down, increasing the chances of this low, of this short. Candle. Okay, I will be back later. And later, I also will basically do some other analysis as well. See you in the next video. Thank you.